Oh, we added some new functionality to our game view controller. Okay, so first what we need is to show player the UI alert view if he ready to do start the game. Okay, so first I will make the function. I will make function for the calling the start alert view. Okay, so I will make the function show start alert. Okay, so I will create the start game alert, and it will be the UI alert view, and I will initialize it by this. Okay, so 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 what I need to do is set the title of the UI alert view. So I will ask, are you ready? Okay, the message will be some funny thing, so like newbie. Delegate yourself, but we have to add the implementation for that. So, and the button will be yes, I'm prepared. Okay, so uh, if we want to use the delegate for the alert view, we have to add the UI alert view delegate. Okay, so now our class GameViewController will be contains functions for the UART alert view delegate. Okay, so now what we need to do is to set the tag for our start game alert view to set tag to 1. Okay, this is important for next recognition what type of alert will shown. Okay, so we will use that tag in future, and I will explain what it is. It is simply set that the property of the class to 1. Okay, so this is simple. And when we are making uh, the start alert view, I can make the end alert view. Okay, okay, so I will make the show end alert, and I will just copy this. Oh, I just copy this, and I will rename it to end game alert. Okay, and tag will be set to 2. Okay, so and I will say the title. Your score is so this alert view will be shown after end of the game and will be shown your score. Okay, so I just and yeah, and the show end alert will be take parameter score. Okay, so I will just show the score, and cancel button will be just okay. So we got the alert view for the starting the game, and we got the and alert view for the ending the game. Okay, so now what we need to do is call the alert view after view did load. Okay, so show start alert, and I just for adjust the expression to nail for better code. Okay, so So this is not necessary, but it's good option to set the default values in your view did load. Okay, so that is it. And now what we need to do is the delegate function for the start alert. Okay, so I have to make the alert view delegate. So I will make this, just type alert, and I will choose something like alert click at button at index. Okay, so click at button and index. Okay, so now I have to check if the button index is equal to 0. Okay, so the buttons in our view are counted from 0. So this I am prepared button is on 0 position, and when I write new 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 button, it will be on position 1, and so on and so on. So this is why I just comparing the button index to 0. Okay, and now if the button index is 0, I have to check if alert view tag is equal to 1. So if it's 1, I just start the game. Okay, so if the player clicked on the button I am prepared, the game will start. Okay, so I just call the start game, and else I have to check if the alert view is the tag is 2, because I got the end alert, so I have to choose which was short. So I have to check the alert view tag if is to equals to 2, and if is, I have to I just redirect or present the menu view controller when the player click on the OK. Okay, so I just make the menu controller, and I just initiate it with the nip file. Okay, so nip name menu view, and bundle is ns bundle mine bundle. Okay, and I just call the present view controller method for presenting the view controller. So I just pass the menu controller, animate it through, and completion again now. Okay, so when the end alert will shown, and will show the score of the game, and if the player clicks on the OK, it will be presented the menu again, so the player can choose again if he want to play single player or multiplayer. Okay, so now, because this will start the game, but this not will set the buttons and the score labels and expression label. We have to make some function which will set the expression and score and other titles of the buttons. Okay, so what we need to do is, when the game did start, we have to call the get what oh well so first of all, when the game did start, we have to get new expression from the buffer. So I have to make function to get next expression. Okay, so when I get the new expression, I will refresh the score label. Okay, so I will set the score to self game.score, and I just pick next expression. Okay, get next expression from my game class, game object. Okay, and I will call it in game with start. Okay, so I will call self get next expression, and what I need is I have to prepare the UI for the next expression. So I have to refresh I have to set the buttons and the labels. Okay, so I will make the function, and it will be a little long. So it will be function called prepare for expression. So this will simple refresh the UI for the expression. Okay, so I will set the expression labeled text to the expression. So I will have to pass this self expression number 1, and then I have to add the self expression sign. So I have to add the sign, and I will get the right value of the atom. So it will gain me this string of plus, string minus, string division, and try asterisk. Okay, so and I have to add the next number. So again, expression and number 2, and adjust the exclamation mark. Okay, question mark, sorry. And what now? Well, what I have to do is very very complicated code, but it is simple for when we have some small number of options. So I will just generate some random numbers or results, wrong results, I mean. So I will call the function what we created before. Okay, and this function will generate the wrong results. Okay, so I will pass the self expression result, and I want two wrong expression to generate. Okay, so now I will create a random number. Okay, so it will be arts, and I have to generate a number from 0 to 5. So I have to make the switch, which will be take the number, and now I will check the random number, and I will set the titles for the numbers, titles for buttons by the answers. Okay, so I will make case 0 break. Okay, and I will just copy paste this because we need it 6 times. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and after that default for the better use. So okay, default, forgot this. Okay, so now I have to fill this by some randomness. So I will set the answer button 1, set title 2. I will take this right expression. So I will take this, I will set the expression. So this will be set the first button to right expression. Okay, and I will set the UI control state to normal. Okay, so I will just take this and take this. I will rename this and this, and what I need to do is take the wrong result from my random numbers. Okay, so I will just pick the first and I will just pick the second. Okay, so now I can take it and paste it here, 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 and here, and again and again. Okay, and now I will make the randomness. So I got 1, 2, 3. So now I get the 1, 3, 2, 3, 2. Okay, now I got 2, 1, 3. Then I got 2, 3, 1. Then I got 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, and 3, 1, 2. Now I get some randomness, so it will choose by the guaranteed random numbers the position of the right button result. Okay, so the title will be set to the randomly. Okay, so here I got 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this is the prepare of UI, and I have to call this after I generate the next expression. So I will call it here, and I will call the prepare for expression. Okay, so this is it, and next time I will show you next things what we have to do.